You see, there are only a few select ways you can drastically, very quickly, and immediately start getting more sales and more customers and increase how much profit you're producing while actually spending less on advertising. And I'm going to show you right now exactly how you can do that by making a few small changes to your funnels, to your opt-in pages, to your sales pages to increase the number of leads you have that are becoming and converting into customers. Because once you can start increasing your opt-in rates and your conversion rates, then you're going to get a lot more ROI. You're going to be able to produce a lot more profit. And because of that, you're going to be able to scale, generate more leads, and continue the process. So let's go through. Without further ado, I'm going to show you 7 or 8 of the most powerful changes that are very easy, very simple to make, that you can make in your sales funnels and in your carts and in your opt-in pages right now to get more sales, more customers, and more profit in your business. Number 1, the first thing that you can do to immediately start seeing higher opt-in rates, more people clicking through your actual sales pages and more people clicking through your funnels, is to make sure your buttons are slightly larger. It has been proven to show and proven to convert higher if your buttons are slightly larger. You don't want humongous, ginormous buttons, but something like this is very clear, is very noticeable, and has an exact call to action as well to make sure your buttons are performing well. You want to make sure they stand out from the rest of your page. If you look at this one, for example, it stands out completely from the rest of the page and is highlighted very nicely and is very obvious, and the attention is called straight to it. So larger buttons is number 1, and number 2 is making sure your buttons stand out from your pages. Number 3, make sure your sales pages and funnel pages have social proof of some kind, so you can make sure you or your product or services you are selling are actually highlighted, and that it shows that what you're doing and what you're trying to offer or give to people actually works and produces results. Number 4, what you want to have is on your options to get started to buy or invest in whatever product or service you are promoting. You want to make sure that you have what's called the illusion of choice, which means that you have 2 choices for the customer or for the lead to take to invest or buy or opt into your product or service. But what you do is you have both of them going to invest in it, but just going to invest in different ways. So both of these may get someone to get started with this product or service, and what it does is it gives the person an illusion of choice of choosing which one they want to do, but either way they still invest in the product or service. Now, number 5 is making sure that on your sales form or on your order form you have 2 things. This is 5 and 6. What you want to make sure you have is number 1, a timer and a special bonus that wasn't previously shown in the funnel with a very short timer. This gives a very, very great sense of urgency. And again, you want this to be a real and genuine bonus they are getting. So there's only 2 left of this, and it has a short time before it goes away. So it enforces them to make sure they make this decision very soon. Now as well, what you want to do is make sure, this is another great point and great change you can make to your funnels or to your pages, is if you have a monthly service or a monthly plan that people are paying with, make sure you always have a yearly option. As well, if you have a one-time payment, make sure you have a one-time payment with a one-time payment and a bonus or an order bump. You always want to have 2 options at least on your actual order form. Again, if it's a monthly, you want to have a yearly discounted option. A lot of people are going to take that yearly option and make you a lot of money up front. And as well, you want to make sure that if you have a one-time offer, you at least have an order bump of some kind on your order form. Now, number 9, another good change to make is to make sure you continually provide value to your customers and to your leads and to the people who are joining and becoming a part of whatever product or service you're offering. So what I do is I do a daily video showing people how to get more results, XYZ, and you want to do this for whatever client base, whatever customers you are dealing with. You want to make sure you are training them, giving them value, coming from a variety of different perspectives in how you are following up with them and in how you are giving value to them. And this will build a lot more like, know, and trust with them, And a lot more of them are going to invest in your product and service or whatever you are offering because you are relating to them and helping them in a variety of different ways. Now, something in general that also works better, this is point 8, 9, or 10, I'm not sure right now, but this is another great change you can make to all of your funnels, all of your opt-in pages, and all of your sales pages, is your buttons, your headlines, your sub-headlines. Every part of your page, every aspect of it, and your videos should all be copywritten per your exact Dream 100 audience. So if you were to choose and think about the people that you want most to invest in your product and service that are most likely to stick and stay and to love it, you want to write your copy towards those people and to make sure you are, number one, eliminating their pain points and enhancing or getting them the results they want in your copywritten word. So make sure that your copywriting is great on all aspects of your funnels and sales pages. So your buttons, your headlines, your sub-headlines, your bullet points, your videos, whatever the case may be, you want to make sure your copywriting is written towards them and the audience that you want, who will be loving and wanting to invest in your product or services. Make sure you apply these changes to your business and to your sales pages, to your opt-in pages, and to your funnels right now to make sure you're going to get these results. So my friend, those are just a few changes you can make right now to your funnels, to your opt-in pages, and to your sales pages to get more conversions, to get more customers, and to increase how many people who are leads that are becoming customers. With that being said, have an absolutely great day, and I will see you in another video very soon.